Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta overheating and discusses commonly documented causes that may lead to higher than normal engine temperatures in certain situations. Overheating in the Ford Fiesta can occur when the engine cooling system is unable to regulate heat effectively, and this can vary depending on model year, engine type, mileage, and maintenance history. In some Ford Fiesta versions, verified service information and automotive references indicate that cooling system efficiency can be affected by factors such as coolant degradation over time, reduced coolant circulation, or restricted airflow through the radiator area. In warmer climates or stop-and-go traffic, these conditions may become more noticeable. Certain model years may also show sensitivity to cooling fan operation or thermostat performance, depending on configuration and wear level. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Additional potential contributing factors may include aging hoses, internal coolant passage buildup, or temperature sensor irregularities, which could cause inaccurate readings or delayed cooling responses. These possibilities are discussed as general considerations and are not confirmed for every Ford Fiesta. Overheating may also be influenced by driving habits, prolonged idling, or operating the vehicle under heavy load conditions. Possible solutions typically focus on inspecting the cooling system for proper coolant level and condition, ensuring fans operate as intended, and checking components such as the thermostat and radiator for normal function. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are often recommended to reduce the risk of recurring overheating concerns. Across verified automotive references, overheating patterns are not identical for all Fiesta model years, and some vehicles may never experience this issue at all. Differences in usage, environment, and prior servicing play a major role in how the problem presents. In conclusion, Ford Fiesta overheating can have multiple contributing causes, and the exact reason can differ by vehicle, generation, and condition. Proper diagnosis is essential before any repairs are performed. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.